Next question. 1673 into 99 minus bracket minus 1673. Now here also we have to apply the distributed property and we have to simplify this question. But here is the problem. In the distributive property, in this type of question we have seen either there are three numbers. In the case of the three numbers, two numbers are inside the bracket, but here only one number inside the bracket. And second thing is that the second case of four numbers, but here only three numbers are written, and here also no number is multiplied with this. So what to do here? First we will simplify this bracket, so we will get minus minus plus. So now you are having 1673 into 99 plus 1673 into what? You are not having right now any number, so we can multiply here 1. Okay, if we are multiplying 1 here, then there is no change in the answer of this. Okay, so that's why we multiply 1 at this step. So why we multiply here? Because now this is the case number second, in which four numbers are given. Two numbers are in multiply and between a plus sign. Now here 1673 is common, so we have taken out, and inside the bracket we have written 99 and 1. And when we are taking the common a number, then that case we have to put a sign of multiply before the bracket, and inside the bracket we will use the sign whatever we have given here. So plus sign is given, so inside the bracket we have written plus sign. Now 1673 into what? 99 plus 100 equals to 99 plus 1 equals to 100. So now easily we can multiply 1673 into 100 is equals to 167,300. I hope you understood. Now our next question is based on the BODMAS rule. I think you all know about a BODMAS rule. B for bracket, of, O means of, D for division, M for multiplication, and A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now here this order we will follow. First we will solve the bracket, then if there is all written off, then we will solve that, then division followed by multiplication, addition and subtraction. That rule you know. But in a bracket there are many kinds of bracket. There are generally 4 kinds of bracket, and they are also having the order to solve. So look at this diagram here. See, this is called the bigger bracket, square bracket or box bracket. Okay, so big bracket, box bracket, square bracket. Then this kind of bracket is known as the curly bracket or the braces, and this kind of box is all known as the simple bracket, round bracket and small bracket. And this kind of bracket is known as the line bracket or base bracket or vinculum. So if all are coming together, if all the bracket are coming together, then what is the order to solve these bracket? So look at this diagram here. First we will solve the line bracket. According to the rule, we have to solve first line bracket, then we will solve the smaller bracket, then the third in order, that is curly bracket, then at the last we will solve the bigger bracket. Now come to the question number 7th, and question number first is what? Minus 21 into plus 16 plus minus 13. Now how to solve this? According to the rule, we have to solve the bracket. What we are looking here? Bracket. So which bracket is here? Round bracket. bigger bracket is there. So first we will solve this bracket. So by solving this, 16 minus 13 is equals to plus 3, because plus 16 minus 30, bigger number is there, so bigger number sign will come. Now minus 20 is left outside, so multiply and you will get minus 63, because this is minus and this is in the plus. So 21 into 3, 3 into 1 is equals to 3, and then 3 into 2 equal to 6. So as you got the answer 60, but the answer 63. Now the next question number B. I thought you all also can solve this easily. First you have to solve this bracket. Here inside the bracket minus 3 minus 5 is written. So minus 1 into minus into minus becomes the plus. So minus 3 plus 5 becomes the plus 2. Now here you can multiply this with 103 and you will finally get 3 into 2 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 equals to 2. So answer is 206. So these questions you have to write in your fair copy and you have to solve as it is, and try to solve the more questions in your fair copy. Now next question, look at here how to solve this question. First look at here, the number between the numbers plus minus signs are there and some bracket also there. So according to the rule, first we will solve the bracket, but here inside the bracket only one number is there, so we will, right now we can leave this number. Now see here, according to the rule we will solve the division. So when we solve this division, so we got 48 divided by 6 equals to what? 6 8s are 46. Okay, so 48 divided by 6 equals to 48. You can pause this video, आप वीडियो को पॉज करके बाद में देख सकते हैं. So you can pause the video and you can also solve by yourself and you can find the answer. If you are getting the problem, you can pause the video. Now here what you have to do now? Now according to the rule we have to simplify the multiplication. So multiplication is where? At this place we have the multiplication. So 2 into minus 3 becomes the minus 6. Now simplify the bracket, this plus sign and minus sign, plus minus minus. Now minus and minus becomes the plus, and all other number we have to write as it is with their sign, like 3 with the sign plus, 8 with the sign minus, and 7 with the sign minus 7. Now we have to add according to the Woodmass rule. So we add 3 into 10, that is 13. Now we can add these two numbers because they both are having the same sign, so we can add these two. So we will got minus 13. Now other number we have to write as it is, 13 minus 8, and here also when we add 30 minus 13, so other number we have to write as it is, 13 minus 8 at this step. Now minus 13 plus 13 equals to what? Equals to 0. Now which number is left? Only 8 is left, so answer is 8. The next question D, minus 17 plus 2 minus bracket minus 8 plus 3 minus. So in this question just search from where we have to start the solution. So we will see the here so many brackets are there, so we will search the brackets. So smaller bracket are there, so first which bracket we have to solve? We have to solve the line bracket. So we will start our solution with line bracket. So 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Now other number we will write as it is with their sign. See here, minus 13 plus minus 13 into 3. Now according to the rule, after the line bracket we have to solve the smaller bracket. Now here in the whole question the smaller bracket at this place only. So inside the bracket whatever operation we have to perform, that we will do. If multiplication, so multiplication according to the there also we will use the Woodmass rule inside the bracket, inside the smaller bracket. So 9 into 7 63, 13 into 3 39. Now again which bracket is not solved fully? This bracket is not solved. because other number also return, but a smaller bracket is not solved fully. So first we will solve the smaller bracket. Now here at this step, what? 63 minus 39. 63 minus 39. So 63 minus 39 is equals to what? 24. So what you have to write here? 63 minus 29 equals to 24. Now next step, minus 17 into minus 17 plus, now what we have to solve at the step? We have to solve this curly bracket. Look at here. So inside the curly bracket, according to a BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the addition. So here plus sign is there. So we will solve this bracket first. So minus 8 plus 3 equals to minus 5. And now again what we have to solve? We have to solve this curly bracket only. Now minus 5 minus 24 equals to minus 29. Now we have to solve the curly bracket, outside the curly bracket, inside the curly bracket, minus sign are there, so minus minus plus sign. Now curly bracket is gone. Now watch square bracket. So 2 plus 29 we have to solve, it is equals to 31. Now outside the square bracket, what? Plus sign is there. So plus 31 minus 17 equals to plus 14. So our answer is plus 14. I thought you understood clearly how to use the BODMAS rule to simplify this equation. So I think you can solve this equation also. According to the BODMAS rule, we have to search the bracket. So first we have to solve the line bracket. So line bracket first we have to solve. So here is the line bracket. So 5 plus 1, 6, and then here look at all other number we have to write as it is. Now inside this curly bracket, now small bracket solve, and this line bracket solve. Now curly bracket. Now in this side the curly bracket, all the numbers are written in the multiply. So we will solve the first curly bracket. So multiply all the numbers. So when we multiply 6 into 6, so you all know 6 into 6 is 36. Okay. Now 36 into 4. So 36 into 4 equals to what? 4 6 are 24, carry over 2. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 equals to 14. So like this we got 144 inside the curly bracket. Now no other number is inside the curly bracket. So now which number we have to solve? Which bracket we have to solve? We have to solve the square bracket. So inside the square bracket we will follow the same rule of the BODMAS rule we will follow. So according to BODMAS rule, here the numbers are written, the divide and the minus. So first we will solve divide. So according to the BODMAS rule, when we divide this 14 by minus 7, so 7 1 is 7 and 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Okay, and the sign is minus, so plus minus becomes the minus. So like this we got minus 2 here. Now we have to solve this bracket. So both sign are minus. So both sign are minus here. So our answer, so we have to add both minus 2 plus 144. So which is equal to 146, because sign are same. So we have to add the numbers. Now outside the bracket, plus sign minus sign. So the plus minus minus. So 5 minus 146. So different sign are there. We have to subtract. So 146 minus 5 equals to 141, and the sign minus of the bigger digit. I hope you understood. You can pause the video. आप वीडियो को stop करके you can also solve by your own in your rough copy or directly in your fair copy, and you can find the answer. Now the last question of this exercise. Look at the question. Now here also we will search the bracket. So here the first bracket we have to solve, that is the line bracket. So here is the line bracket. So they will solve this bracket. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 5 with 10. So 5 into 10 is equals to what? 50. Now line is gone from here. Now don't write the line over the 50. Okay. So 5 into 10 equals to 50. Now inside we have to solve which bracket? We have to solve the smaller bracket. Now inside the smaller bracket 50 and 50 is written, and the sign between them minus sign is there. So 50 minus 50 equals to 0. So from as a solution of this box we got what? 0. And all other number we have to write as it is without changing any sign. If you change the sign plus from plus to minus or minus to plus, or if you forget to put any bracket as it is given in the question, so you will get the wrong answer. So what you have to do, you have to write all the numbers as it is without changing the sign. Only the numbers will the number will change. The number will change when you are solving that particular number. The number will change. Only that step you can change the sign or number. Okay, whatever operation you are performing there, according to that number only change. The other number cannot be changed. Now here you will get the 0. Now which bracket is left? Curly bracket is left. Now curly bracket, inside the curly bracket only 100 is there. 100 minus 0 equals to 100 only. Now here curly bracket is gone. Now 400 divided by 100 is left inside the square bracket. Now according to the rule we have to solve the square bracket. So 400 divided by 100 is equals to what? 400 divided by 100 equals to what? It is very easy. 400 divided by 100 equals to what? 4. Because 400 divided by 0, these two 0 we can cut with these two 0. So 400 divided by 100 equals to 4. So we left 4 here. Now here according to the rule all the bracket are gone. Now we are having 100 into minus 10 plus 4. So plus 4 is there. So we will not solve 10 and 4. First we will multiply 100 into 10. So 100 into minus 10 equals to what? Minus 1000. And here which number is left? Plus 4. So we will write plus 4. Now 1000 minus 1000 plus 4 equals to what? 996. Why 996? Because this is minus, this is in the plus. So our answer is minus 996.